Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us, our credit scores. Specifically, we're going to be diving into the world of Borrowell and the credit score model they use. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should I care about Borrowell's credit score model? Well, the answer is simple. Understanding how credit scores are calculated can help you make informed financial decisions. Whether you're looking to buy a house, get a car loan, or just improve your financial health, knowing your credit score is crucial. So, let's get started. What exactly is a credit score? In short, it's a number that represents your creditworthiness. It's based on your past borrowing and repayment behavior. Lenders use credit scores to assess your risk as a borrower. The higher your score, the lower your risk, and the more likely you are to be approved for a loan with favorable terms. Now, there are different credit scoring models out there, each with its own nuances. Borrowell uses the Equifax Risk Score 2.0, ERS 2.0. This model considers a variety of factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, and types of credit. So, how can you improve your credit score? There are a few things you can do. First, make sure you're making all of your payments on time and in full. This will help to establish a positive payment history. Second, try to keep your credit utilization low. This means using only a small portion of your available credit. Third, don't open too many new credit accounts too quickly. This can negatively impact your credit score. Finally, be sure to check your credit report regularly for errors. If you find any errors, dispute them with the credit bureau. By following these tips, you can improve your credit score and make it easier to get approved for loans and other forms of credit. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.